Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to integrate this LED strip to Home Assistant by ESPHome. You can see here is some different kinds of LED strip, and this LED strip. But this one is RGBW. So you can see I can use my mobile phone. In Home Assistant, you can see I can turn on this LED strip, and also I can change this brightness. You can see I can change it to green, and I can change it to blue, and also I can change the brightness. So brightness up and brightness down. And also you can see I have set the effect. You can see I set to rainbow, so that this color will auto change by the rainbow. So let's look at how to integrate this RGB LED to Home Assistant. You can see here is first we need to choose which LED strip you will use. And here are some commonly used different three types of LED strip. This is the first one that is only 2:1. You can see here is 2:1. This LED strip just control the brightness, brightness up and brightness down, and can't change the color. Only the color is white or only the color is yellow. So you just change the brightness for this one. This is the cheapest. And the second, you can see here is this one. This is WS2811. So this is WS2812. So what is the different? This you can see here is the chip. This chip is outside, is running on the LED strip. Here the chip, and the chip. But this one, this new version, is no chip, but the function as same as this one. So the chip is integrated in this LED inside, and this voltage is 12 voltage, and this voltage is 5 voltage. This is 5 voltage. So you can see here we have a power supply that is 5 voltage have installed. So just supply the power supply for this line. That for this LED strip. That have three line. This is for 5 volts, and this is for ground, and this is for date. The date is for signal. Just send the date from the ESP32. So you just connect with this three line, that will be work for this LED strip. So this is first you need to choose which LED strip model you will use. And now let's look at the second. You need to connect the one that VCC, date, and ground. So this VCC, date, and ground. And at last, we just need to configuration for the ESPHome. So you just copy and paste this code, and go to your ESPHome, and check this ESPHome. And this is A16 because we have connected with this A16 board. So you just click Edit, and at last, because we have added the input and output, you just paste. I have already pasted. This is paste that is used by GPIO 33. This pin according to which part you have used. That we have used 33. So and this is LED numbers. The LED numbers you can see here. The LED strip. How many LEDs? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the totally I have used 30. So I have set to the 30. If you have the different length of the LED strip, you just need to count the LED, how many LED you have used. Then you can change this number, change this LED number. And this is RGB old. You just set to GRB. And this is number LED strip. And this effect, that is rainbow, and some different effect. This effect you can see from this ESPHome official website that's used by the fast LED light. So you can see here effect and many effects. You can click this one. You can see here is many written and different effect. You can choose which effect you can integrate to Home Assistant. And also you can see here is support the cheapest of the LED strip. We have using this one. So I have set WS2811. So that is this one. This one is 12 watt. Okay, let's just click save and click install. And this time we need to use this USB cable. The USB cable is connected with this Type-C for A16, and this connect to your Case868 server, because need to use by the Raspberry Pi to download to this board. And we can click this one and choose a USB server. And now just wait for the code to download. Okay, connect successfully, then you can click stop. And you can see the A16 is online, and now we can click configuration and click device and service. And you can click A16 and click 33 entities. And you will find this LED strip have created. So we can go to this overview and edit the dashboard. And just add a card and add this LED strip. So I have already added this LED strip at here. So you can click down, and now you can also control this LED strip on your PC. You can say I can click is on and off, on and off. But you hold on, and you will see this menu will pop. And you can click, you can change the brightness and change the color. You can see when I change the color, this is my mobile phone. I have changed to blue. This is blue and yellow. And I can also change the scan. You can see the LED is scan. That is scan from left to right, from another point to the first LED. So this is scan effect. So there are many different effects. We have defined 7 styles. So as you can see, here is a strip. Maybe you can install your LED strip on the Christmas tree. So there is how to install the LED strip and the configuration in Home Assistant. So there are many different channels can be used. There are 3 different channels. So you can connect with the 3 different LED strips independently. Connect with this GPIO. Okay, here is how to use and LED strip. Thanks for watching.